Hello students, today's we start chapter number 6 more about MS Excel 2010 part 3. Previous video we study creating custom list, formulas and functions, formulas, special case, error, result. Today's we study basic function. In MS Excel, functions are predefined formulas that perform specific calculation. Some of the basic functions available are sum, max, minimum, count, average. Using functions can be a more efficient way of performing mathematical operations than formulas. For example, if you want to add the values of cells D1 through D10, you would type the formula D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 plus D5 D6 plus D7 plus D8 plus D9 plus D10. Alternatively, you may use the sum function and simply type sum column semicolon D1 to D10. These commonly used function and their examples are given below. You can see some example. Sum, it adds up all the values in a range of cell. For example, the formula sum semicolon A1 to A10 finds the sum of cell value A1 through A10. Sum G1 comma F6 finds the sum of two cell values. Sum column 6 comma 23 comma D3 finds the sum of two constant and cell values. You can calculate the mathematical operation. We can calculation the sums. Next is average. The calculates the average of the cell values. For example, this is the using average. Average B1 to B10 finds the average of cells B1 through B10. Average B2 to B10 find the average two cells values. Average B6 23 D3 finds the average of two constants and a cell value. This is the average B1 B2 to D2. This is the average formula. Max, it finds the largest number in the selected range of the values stored in a cell value. For example, the formulas max function. This is the max function. Quick key means to edit a cell partially, press F2. To see the result of the formula entered, press enter key. Minimums, this is the figure of using minimum functions. This is the minimum function. It finds the lowest number in the selected range of the cell value. This is the using minimum function. Count, it counts the cell values. You can see the count function. AutoSum. This features is used to add numbers. It is also used to find the sum, average, maximum, minimum and count the number. This is the AutoSum drop down list using sum function. Click on AutoSum drop down list in the editing group of the home tab or in the function library of the formulas. Click on more functions to see more functions available in MX Excel 2010. In order to calculate sum, select E2, then click on the AutoSum option. A mark Q will appear from B2 to D2. Now click on the AutoSum option once again or press enter key to get the result in E2 using the sum functions. Max, select E3, then click on the AutoSum drop down list and select Max. A mark will appear from B3 to D3. Now click enter key. Next lecture we can study function library, GCD, greatest common divisor and glossary. Thank you students.